What a beautiful day for a walk, my friends.
Yes, the sun feels so nice.
Would you too like a bite of my apple?
Oh, yes, please.
Here you go.
Oh, it's coming closer.
What a cute toy. May I see?
Wow, you're big. Can we be friends?
Okay, lower it slowly. You got it. Here we go.
Perfect! It's in!
High five, partner.
Yeah!
This is looking great. Yeah, let's add more. Almost done. Wow, so cool. Best artwork ever.
All right, team, let's roll out. Yeah, floor it.
Whee! This is awesome! Faster! Go, go!
Hold on tight. Here we go. Best ride ever. All right, high five.
Yay!
So good job. Let's get this show on the road.
Yay! Let's go! This is fun.
Hold on tight. Ooh, is that a nibble? I think so. Hold on.
A fish! You got one!
Nice work, team.
Yay! Let's catch another.
Whoa, got a bite. It's a fighter. Reel it in. Ah, yes, gotcha. What a catch.
Hang on, little ones. It's going to be a wild ride.
Whoa, this is scary, but kind of fun.
That's the spirit. Let's make some waves.
Yeah, us!
We have to go. Now.
What's happening? Why are we running?
No time to explain. Follow me.
Okay, we're right behind you.
Keep paddling. We're almost there.
I see it.
Something's not right.
What is it?
Someone's in trouble. We have to go.
Let's go!
Woohoo! This is so fun!
Hold on tight.
Yay, go faster!
This is the best day ever!
Finally, green light. Let's ride.
Woohoo! This is so exciting!
Hold on tight, kitty. Here we go. Try to keep up.
We're flying! Best day ever!
City's ours.
Whoa! What was that? Keep going! Don't stop!
I'm right behind you.
We need to lose them in traffic!
I'm on it.
Faster! They're gaining! Try to keep up! I was about to say the same! This curve is mine! We'll see about that!
All units, let's roll out. 10-4, right behind you.
Patrolling the streets, keeping it cool.
You know it, partner. Next stop, the donut shop. All right, team, let's move out.
Right behind you, Captain! I smell adventure ahead!
Stay alert, everyone. Almost there. Keep pushing.
We're gaining on them!
What was that noise? We're not alone.
I heard it too! It's getting closer! What do we do?
Run for it. This way.
Oh no, not again!
I'm issuing you a ticket for this contraption.
A ticket? But we're not hurting anyone!
Yeah, officer, we're just having fun. Rules are rules. Now, move along.
This is so unfair!
Come on, let's just...
Hey everyone, look! A subscribe sign! Yes, let's all subscribe! Please subscribe to our channel and give us a like! We'd love your support. Thanks for watching!